Guys, how's it going? Daniel here. Today we are taking a look at the iPhone 12 Pro in the gold color, and you can see the box there. You can straight away just see those gold accents right there, right here as well with the wallpaper. Definitely a very sleek box, black box, unlike the iPhone 12 box, which is a white box, signifying that this is of course a Pro version. This one I'm actually very excited for here when you open the box and check it out, because they changed the gold color quite a bit, I think. So you can kind of see that there. It looks almost, it almost doesn't look gold. Maybe like it looks like an off-white, like a beige, but in a very nice way. It almost has a subtle pinkness to it in a way that the previous gold phones did not have. And I think it looks so good that I would personally even get this phone. Unlike the previous years where I haven't really been fond of the gold color, I think Apple did a really good job this year. These gold sides look really, really stunning. It's a really nice gold. You can see that there. Very reflective. It straight up just looks like jewelry right there. And very, very nice looking phone. Here, we just remove this little protector to reveal the screen. And that's the new screen that's supposed to be a little bit more shatterproof than the previous ones. Let's go ahead and boot it up so you can see it from the front. And you can see that right there. 6.1 inch display, so it is going to be a little bit bigger of a device than the 11 Pro here. So if you thought that this one was maybe too perfect or a little almost too big, then you might want to go with the 12 mini nowadays. But if you thought that this one was just perfect and you don't mind it increasing a tiny bit in size, honestly, when you hold them, it's not that big of a difference. Like, it might as well be the same phone. What you do feel is the flat sides here. You can see there the gold versus the midnight green. And let's bring in the Pacific blue so you can see that as well here. You can see those two colors. And both look really stunning. I swear, if you've liked gold in the past, I think you're gonna be like completely in love with this new gold device. So let's go ahead here and show you what else is in the box. Let me put this back right here. Cancel. In the box, you're also gonna get the USB-C to Lightning, as well as just this little thingy here with a SIM jack tool and an Apple sticker. So that's all you're gonna get in there. And then it's a bunch of just space in there, just plastic, or I don't know, this is like a foam board. So nothing special in there. Would have been nice to definitely get one of Apple's fast chargers that they gave us last year with the 11 Pro, but no. This starts at $1,000. You're gonna get 128 gigs of storage, which is the perfect amount of storage, honestly, for a device nowadays. The 11 still starts at 64 gigs. Last year I got the 256 with the 11 Pro because mainly because it just didn't have the 128. It only had 64 to start. So at 128 starting this year, I think that's the size to go with and save some money there. Not worth really upgrading if you have cloud storage. You can see it there with a black aramid case, which not that great on this one. Now the gold is supposed to technically have like some slightly better stainless steel side with like coating that prevents fingerprints on it. I do not know. Like, looking at it straight away, I can see my fingerprints. Are they super noticeable? No. Are they more noticeable than the blue? No. So I don't know how true that claim is. Let's go ahead here and try this case right here. I know some people like to get slightly bulkier cases, and this has kind of these pink hues to it, so it might kind of work. These are the cases I feel like people get when they don't get Apple Care, just to make sure their phone is all good. And we'll throw this in there. Definitely not my type of case, but I still like to show things that other people might be interested in. So let's see this. And you can just see that there. It definitely matches nicely. You do lose a lot of the accents on the side. Barely anything really showing here with these types of cases like that, but you do get that screen protector built into the case, which is nice. Now let's remove this one and let's try a clear case. All right, so here we have a slightly thicker plastic case that has a stand actually. So let's see how that looks. Yeah, I do think that actually looks quite good. Not too much reflection there. Stand obviously is just a stand. I personally would not get something with a stand just because of the added bulk, but it's not too bulky and adds a nice feature there if you do need a stand. So that's how that looks right there. Lastly, let's just go ahead and try a leather case, and then we'll call this video. Just hopefully it shows you a little bit. I do want to do a little thing here. Let me turn on this here. Now I did want to test this out here so that you guys can see how it looks when you're texting there and how the phone reflects there. Now if you're in a call, how does that look there on the side? Just so you can get an idea of how it looks from a little bit further away, the color. And then also here, a different slight angle there on the coloring with the lighting. So you can just get a slightly better idea on what we're looking at in case you can't see it at the store. Definitely a very, very nice gold phone. I still believe the iPhone 8 to be my favorite gold phone that Apple has made. Or maybe it was the 7? No, I think it was the iPhone 8, the aluminum one. So no, it actually was the 7. But yeah, I think this is now my second favorite one that Apple has made. So again there, you can see the front, you can see the black border there on the screen, the slight gold accents. I think if you really like gold, you're really gonna like this one. So now we're gonna move on to the other unboxings. And aside from that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.